Welcome, today we're going to show you how to factory reset in Windows 11. So you need to click on the Start key to open the Start menu. As you from here, after you open the Start key, you need to search for the settings on the search bar. As you from here, here's the search bar. You need to click on it and search for settings. Write settings at the search bar, then click on Settings app. As you from here, click on it. Then you will open this settings app. So from here you need to click on system section, as see from here. Then you need to scroll down till you see the recovery option. So here's the recovery option, you need to click on it. Then from here you will see the reset this PC option. It's under the recovery options. So you need to click on here, reset PC. After that, you will have two options. One is to keep your files, and one is to remove everything. So if you want to delete everything from your PC, you need to choose remove everything. Also, if you want to keep your files, folders, and anything that you have like personal photos and things that you don't want to be removed, you can click on keep my files. So we can click on keep my files. After that, you will have another two options, one saying cloud download and one is to local reinstall. So if you want to use cloud download, you can just use your internet connection to download the Windows installation file. After that, it will install automatically. Also, if you already downloaded the installation file, you can use it with local reinstall. So we can actually choose cloud download from here. After that, it will ask you if you are okay with the settings. So we are actually okay with our settings this far. If you have done any mistake, you can click on change settings from here. After that, you can hit next. So now all you need to do is click next and then follow all the prompts to reset your PC. So don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.